Is it time to buy or sell asset entity stock? In this video, we will explore asset entities thoroughly. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 9th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has ranked asset entities as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 6.88. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 1,284.25% since we first listed asset entities as a buy candidate 12 days ago. This translates to an average return of 107.02% per day since it was categorized as a strong buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 23.33% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -85.10% and 23.33%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -59.83%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from -100% to -95.36% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and 37.7 cents. Our latest daily update for asset entities includes the headline, High Volatility in Asset Entities Incorporated stock price on Friday, which ended trading at $8.12. The Asset Entities Incorporated stock price gained 5.59% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 9th of May, 2025, rising from $7.69 to $8.12. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be intriguing to see whether it can continue this upward trend or take a brief pause over the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 34.8%, with a low of $6.61 and a high of $8.91. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 1,256.05% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 181 million shares, and in total, 53 million shares were traded for approximately $432,960,000. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of possible changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $8.91, while the lowest was 33.5 cents. Currently, the price is 8.87%, or 79 cents, below the 52-week high, and 76.73%, or $26.78, below the all-time high on the 3rd of February 2023, when the price peaked at $34.90. Asset Entities Incorporated is currently in the spotlight following recent announcements regarding its proposed merger with Strive Asset Management. This merger signifies a notable shift as it aims to create the first publicly traded asset management company focused on maximizing Bitcoin exposure. The combined entity plans to adopt innovative financial strategies designed to enhance shareholder value. However, the merger is under investigation by various shareholder rights firms to assess its fairness, raising concerns about whether the deal genuinely benefits existing shareholders. Such scrutiny can lead to short-term volatility in ASST's stock, as investors may respond to the uncertainty surrounding the merger's approval and its potential implications on the company's valuation. In the long run, if the merger succeeds and the new strategies yield positive results, it could strengthen ASST's market position and drive significant revenue growth, capturing the increasing interest in digital and cryptocurrency assets. This aligns with the company's previous successes, such as a remarkable 237% increase in revenue year over year and its partnership with TikTok for content delivery services. As ASST navigates these developments, investor sentiment is likely to fluctuate, affecting stock performance both in the immediate future and over the longer term as the company integrates its operations and pursues its objectives in the rapidly evolving digital asset landscape. Analysts have assigned asset entities stock a general strong sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is considered neutral. For return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for asset entities. The chart indicates predominantly positive signals today. Asset Entities Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting an optimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is observed as the short-term average surpasses the long-term average. On downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels of $3.09 and $1.04. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 1,763.24%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is evident from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 23 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 241 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 20 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 14 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 4 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for asset entities. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $7.69. Without support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk increases. A drop below this support may result in a significant decline in the stock price. This stock is prone to considerable movement during the day, exhibiting high volatility, and with a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.30 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 34.80%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 49%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for asset entities, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This vital metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. It's not uncommon for even well-established companies to face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest inadequate profitability and raise concerns regarding potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the forthcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 21st of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for asset entities. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, asset entities encounters its first support level at $7.69. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for asset entities from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 6th day of December 2024, when Galbert Michael conducted an insider sale of 250,000 shares of Class A common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $7.92, reflecting a decline of 2.52%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 99, further elevating this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal identified from a pivot bottom established 22 days ago. Is Asset Entities stock a good buy? Asset Entities Incorporated holds several positive signals and is within a strong, rising trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it to be a good choice at these current levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 12th of May, we expect Asset Entities to open lower by 240 thousandths of a dollar and start trading at $7.88. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from everyone here at StockInvest.